play a crucial role in the development and upbringing their children. One of them is providing love and emotional support. To deliver a tribute of message to the parents, let's call on Eliza R. de la Gracia with high honors.
To our beloved Mayor, Honorable Almi Romayla G4 Manilimutan, our Public Schools District Supervisor, Maria Chesa G. Albanbrana, to Kabaku